So this is part 1 of the 1946 Electrohome restoration. We're not sure that it's 1946, but the general consensus is it's post-war, even though a lot of the fixtures are very pre-war. For example, that cartridge and needle. The flocking on this, the platter is amazing, and the finish is almost as amazing. It's an Electrohome. I just fixed a problem with the motor. The idler wheel wasn't touching properly, and this was all seized up, so this was causing so much weight on the idler wheel that it wasn't able to keep spinning. So that's fixed now. Right now, I'm beginning to recap the radio portion, which is a transformer set. So yeah, I'm hoping this will go well. So those are the two caps I've replaced so far. I need to figure out the lytics. We don't have a schematic, so I don't know what I'm going to do, but one of them is cathode bypass, so it should be easy to figure out. Okay, first test with all the new caps in. I've replaced everything except for the cathode bypass, which is marked by a triangle there. I don't have one, so I'll need to do that. I don't know if I should replace the dial lights. You know what? They look fine. I'm gonna have to clean it. Oh. Well, at least I know the amp works. It needs the antenna. So it's going at the right speed, but obviously that doesn't work. Let's switch it to radio. That turns off.
Points as we can, but we could branch out into the regular NHL. Yeah, the stories are there. We write the headlines, and our good friend Jimmy G will either like them or he won't like them. Jimmy, if you like there's like ESPN starting to show esports. You have, Call of Duty World Championships. You have the...
So yeah, that's that. It's working, but still need to fix the cartridge.